Hi, I'm Nick from Shapelamp. Were you ever looking to buy furniture but it was not exactly what you wanted? Well, at Shapelamp we aim to solve this with our advanced custom lamp configurator tool. With it, anyone can design and buy their own lamp with just a few clicks. Let me show you how. So this is the Shapelamp homepage. We just click create up here and it takes us to the create page. The first thing that loads is the 3D model of the lamp. With it, there's on the left hand side the shape configurator tool, and on the right hand side there's the parameters. This is the default 2-point lamp which loads. To change the shape, we just simply click and drag, and the shape changes. The price also updates automatically. So let's make a very simple lamp. We click on the 1-point lamp and it updates here. We drag and the shape changes. I want to make a very simple lamp. So we go into the parameters on the right hand side and we decrease the vertical divisions. We click here and here as well for the horizontals, and we made a very simple lamp. We can increase the horizontal divisions and the vertical divisions as well. Beautiful. Let's step it up a notch. Let's go to the 2-point lamp. It keeps the same parameters, but the shape changes. Let's make it a bit bigger. There we go. And now I want it to be a bit of a modern design, so I click on the straight edge line type. And it updates like this. This is really cool. This is quite a modern design actually. Like this, I would like to put a bigger bulb in it, because I think it's a bit small, the one that there is currently. So I click on the bulb type on the right hand side and I choose the bigger bulb and it updates there and you can see it. So let's go on to something a bit more complex. There's the 3-point lamp here. It keeps the same parameters again. I prefer this to be curved, so we go back to curves like this. Now we see a conflict here. We see that the bulb is part of the wood, so that is impossible. So this means that we need to change the bulb type to a long bulb, and it updates automatically. We can also change the design. So we click, we drag, we click, we drag, and now we can go back to a bigger bulb. Let's check if the lamp fits in my room. We click on show dimensions, and what we got is a 34 cm high lamp and a 31 cm diameter. I really like this design and I'm ready to check out. So what do? Before I check out, there's the finishing option. Now, at Shapelamp we offer 3 finishes. It's the raw finish, the refined finish, or the premium finish. The raw finish is intended for the DIY enthusiast. Once you receive the lamp, you will have to use sandpaper to finish the lamp to your liking. The refined finish, this one, is catered for. So we sand the lamp ourselves and we give it a really nice smooth finish. The premium finish goes a step above. We sand the lamp to an even greater sanding grit, and we add wax to it. Now it can be clear wax as well as dark wax. Now I'm happy with the design, so I press add to basket. I will let the software generate the files for cutting on our precision CNC machines. Once it's done, it will reflect in the cart. And all I need to do is proceed to checkout and add my details, and it's done. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon, and also follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn, to keep up with the growing family of creators.